Hello, English teachers and music lovers. Here is Marcy from the Song Activity Factory, and today I'm here to present the new activity for this week. It's called Musical World Tour. And it's amazing, with 4 fantastic countries: Uzbekistan, Turkey, Morocco, and Albania. You and your students are going to discover some nice tunes and some nice things about these amazing countries. I hope you guys enjoy this activity. It's the first time I'm presenting this to the world. I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoy this a lot. See ya!
Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan, ele güne rezil olduk.
Sağınganım o'zing yor, dilim so'zimda takror yurar.
Song activity ideas for ELT. Innovative, practical, and useful ideas for ELT professionals who love music and believe in the power of songs to teach English. 10 creative ideas to use songs so you can engage your students to learn in a communicative and memorable way. With step-by-step instructions for you to literally rock and roll your ELT lessons. Boost critical, creative thinking and the interactivity factor of your classes 10x.
Thank you.